Let us solve few more problems. Prove that tan of sum of the angles pi by 4 plus x divided by tan of the difference of pi by 4 minus x equal to this, the right hand side. So here we see that this is tan of sum of two angles and tan of difference of two angles. So we have seen the formula for tan of sum of two angles a plus b and tan of difference of two angles a minus b. So we will apply this formula here. So we have tan of a plus b is tan a plus b plus tan b 1 minus tan a tan b. So here in the left hand side we write it tan of pi by 4 plus x. Here in place of a and b we have pi by 4 and x, and again tan of pi by 4 minus x. So we apply the formula first. In the numerator it is tan a plus b. So we have tan a plus tan b, which is tan x, divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. In the numerator we have applied the formula of tan a plus b. In the denominator we will apply the formula of tan a minus b. So we have tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b. So this is the formula. So now we put the value of tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 it is, pi by 4 is 40 degree in radian. In radian it is pi by 4, in degree it is 40 degree. So we know tan pi by 4 is, the value is 1. So 1 plus tan x. Now let us keep this everything in the denominator. So 1 minus, again tan pi by 4 is 1, so we are left with tan x. Now here this is in the denominator, so let us keep it in the denominator only. This is tan of pi by 4, it is 1, minus tan x is tan x only. So this will come in the numerator. So 1 plus, here it is tan x. So we see here what can be cancelled. So we see nothing can be cancelled, everything has to be multiplied. So 1 plus tan x, 1 plus tan x, if we multiply it, it becomes square. 1 minus tan x and 1 minus tan x, it is square. So everything is inside whole square. So this is what we want to prove. This is the right hand side. So we have applied here the formula of tan of sum of two angles. So let us see another problem. Next is prove that sine of 75 degrees equal to square root of 6 plus square root of 2 divided by 4. Now we see that here in this case we don't know 75 degree. The value we have not memorized it. We don't deal with 75 degree usually. So we have to express this 75 degree either as the sum of 2 degrees or the difference of 2 degrees. Now we see 75 can be written as 30 degree plus 45 degree. So we'll take the left hand side again and prove the right hand side. So we can express this 75 degree as the sum of 30 degree and 45 degree. So 30 degree plus 45 degree is 75. So now we can apply the formula sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So this is the formula we have already learned. So here A is 30 and B is 45. So sine A is 30, cos B 45 plus cos A and sine B. So we have sine 30 degree is 1 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and cos 30 is root 3 by 2, and sine 45 is 1 by root 2. So we take LCM. This will become 2 root 2, 1 plus root 3. Now this is not equal to this. We have to rationalize it. We can rationalize it by multiplying both the numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So here it is 2 into 4, and if you multiply this with square root, it will be square root of 2 plus square root of 6. So this is what we needed. So this is the right hand side. So in this way we solve problems related to sum of two angles. Now let us see next. Let us see another one. Prove that the expression is equal to 1. So here we take the left hand side. Now it is a product of so many trigonometric functions divided by again the product of so many trigonometric functions, and we have to prove that the whole expression is equal to 1. So for so many product to be equal to 1, everything must get cancelled, we know that. So here we apply the things which we have learned. So sine of 180 degree plus theta, we have to see it lies in which quadrant. First of all, 180 plus theta, it lies in the third quadrant, and sine of this will be minus sine theta. And because we have seen the formula here, sine of pi plus x, pi means 180 plus x is equal to minus sine x. So here we apply this formula here. Now next, cos of 90 plus theta. This cos of 90 plus theta, it lies in the second quadrant. So we know cos is negative in the second quadrant, so it will be minus first of all, and whenever there is 90 or multiple of odd multiple of 90, then cos changes to sine. So we have minus sine theta. Now this tan of 270 degree minus theta. 270 degree minus theta means it is an angle less than 270 degree. It means it comes in the third quadrant, and we know tan is positive in the third quadrant, so it will be a plus sign. We don't have to write, but 270 is again an odd multiple of 90. This is 3 into 90, an odd multiple of 90, so tan changes to cot, so this will be cot theta. And this is cot of 360 minus theta. 360 degree minus theta means less than 360 degree. It comes in the fourth quadrant, and we know cot is negative in the fourth quadrant. And this is 2 pi. When we write in radian, it is 2 pi. So whenever it is multiple of pi, cot remains cot, so it is cot theta. So we have seen all this in our earlier part. So here again, sine of 360 degree minus theta, again this lies in the fourth quadrant, and sine is negative in the fourth quadrant, so it is, and also it is 2 pi minus theta, multiple of pi, so sine remains sine theta. So this is cos of 360 plus theta. 360 plus theta means it comes in the first quadrant, so everything is in the positive in the first quadrant, so cos will be positive, and cos remains cos here also, so it is cos theta. Cosec of minus theta, we know that cosec of minus theta is minus cosec theta. And this is the last one, sine of 270 degree plus theta. This is more than 270 degree, it comes in the fourth quadrant, and we know sine is negative in the fourth quadrant first of all, and this is again multiple of 3 into 90, multiple of odd multiple of 90, so sine changes to cos theta. So we see here what can be cancelled. Here we see that nothing can be cancelled as of now, only minus sign, minus and minus gets cancelled, and sine gets cancelled. So rest, this is, we write it again, sine theta by cos theta, into cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Again, this cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. And this cosec theta can be written as, also there is a cos theta here in the numerator, cos theta. Cosec theta can be written as 1 by sin theta. And there is a cos theta here, 1 by cos theta. So we see that what can be cancelled? Sin and sin, cos and cos, 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 sin, sin. So here we have written something twice, I think. Here cos theta, I've written it twice. There is 2 cos theta in the numerator. So now we see that everything got cancelled. So this is equal to 1. It's in the right hand, so it is equal to the right hand side. So we have proved it.